How to get and install DMSS on PC. Now, DMSS is actually a mobile application from Dawa Technology for remote video monitoring. But unfortunately, this specific application is only available via the Google Play Store or via Mac or iOS. However, we have an alternative way for you to still use this app using your PC or your laptop. To do so, just simply open up your preferred web browser. But on this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. And what you need to download is going to be an emulator. Just head straight into BlueStacks using the search box and click on their first link, and you will be redirected into the BlueStacks page. Click on this option here that says download BlueStacks, and once the download is started, or once the download is finished, just simply install it and run it as usual. So this is going to be the BlueStacks interface. What you're going to do is to go into the search box, or you could also choose to log in into your Google Play account. Um, by the way, BlueStacks is actually a free Android emulator that allows users to run Android apps and games on Windows PC or Mac. It also creates a virtual Android device on your computer, letting you play mobile games on a larger screen with a keyboard and mouse, and offers features like custom controls and multi-instance support. Now going back, go into the search box and type in DMSS. And from here, you should be able to download and install DMSS using BlueStacks. And that's it. That's how you get and install DMSS on PC.